Another one for the Buick fans here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a beauty too, 1966 Buick Wildcat convertible. Numbers matching, 401 nail head underneath the hood. Of course, the Wildcat 445 is what it was considered. 445 stood for the pound-feet of torque, 325 horsepower. Paired up with an automatic transmission, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. Technician did note the car doesn't blow that cold of air for the AC though. Take a look at the chrome, bright work up front, headlight surrounds. Now, incredible receipts, documentation, manuals that are going to go along with this car, and we're going to get to that in just a bit. First of all, I want to tell you where to check out the still pictures, because in those still pictures, I want you to look at the underside of this car. Unbelievably clean. You're going to be able to see the top up, top down, engine bay, trunk, interior. UniqueClassicCars.com. That's where you can check out all the still pics. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Check that out. Buick Wildcat wheel covers, white wall bias by tires, giving it that era correct look. Now in the paint, there are a few spots, if you look here and there, that you will find some imperfections. Don't get me wrong, this car still looks incredible. Paint has a nice shine to it, but I will try to point out some of those as we go along. I'm also going to show you the items that will go along with this car and give you a glimpse at some of the paperwork. First, let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see these panels are nice and straight, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Paint coat on this car is K, so it's turquoise mist. 428 trim, black interior, has a power convertible top, and that is white vinyl, and we will be checking that out. We're going to see how it operates, check out the condition of it. So seat belts, bench seat, black vinyl, very stock looking dash, absolutely beautiful dash. AM radio works. And we'll get around to the driver's side, check that interior out a little bit closer, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. Of course, Jason's going to take it for a drive at the end of the video also. All right, quick look at the rear of this car and the chrome in the bumper. You can see great condition. Couple little nicks back here, one that's been touched up right there, and I don't know if you can see, there's a real light kind of scratch right there. It's tough to get it to show up. It's, again, not anything real major there. You can kind of see it. All right, taillight lenses. There is an extra one or two that are going to go along with it, and speaking of along with it, here you go. There's also, let me show you, a note from previous owner, a little bit about it, what he is using for oil, filters, that type of thing, and then as well as miscellaneous parts. And you'll be able to see this all in the still pictures. Everything's labeled. Of course, filters. There's a car cover that's going to go with it, in very nice shape. New HVAC vacuum, can't read what that last word is. The original Carter carburetor has an Edelbrock on it now, so that's why there's the original air cleaner down here. And again, miscellaneous parts, manuals, but here is the good stuff. So there's this whole 3-ring binder. As you can see, we have the build sheet, we have the protecto plate, we have the manuals, and then all these sleeves of miscellaneous sales paperwork, receipts, just history on the car from when it was new. So a well-documented car. Be a great one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Take it out and drive it, have some fun. Again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. In those still pictures, there's going to be a list of recent work that was done to this car. I'm going to hit on just a little bit of it, but go in those still pictures. Like I said, you're going to see a list of what's been done, kind of recent care for this car. New convertible top motor, starter, alternator, battery, carb, fuel pump, HEI ignition. I had a tune-up, thermostat, belts and hoses, shocks, steering box and rag joint, heater core, AC compressor, The list goes on. And check out that list in the still pictures. Brakes are 95% in the front, 95% in the rear. As we take a look down this driver's side again, you can see it's free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. If you like Buicks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just did a beautiful LeSabre also. Check out the YouTube channel, subscribe to it. You're going to be able to see all kinds of cool cars, especially these classics, come through, and a lot will be Buicks. Convertible top cover, great shape. All right, interior, power windows option. Door panel looking good. Seats look like new. No rips, tears, holes really anywhere in the vinyl at all. Carpeting, also nice shape. Nice Buick floor mats. Man, where do you stop? All right, let's go ahead and start this up.
And I'm going to be telling the Republicans this.
There you can hear the radio working. That was a cold start as indicated by the working light. Top of the dash looks great. Courtesy light working. Oh, and it sounds good. Door closes nicely. Let's take a listen. Good sounding car. All right, let's slip up to the front. I want to get this hood open. I'm going to check out the engine bay. Again, numbers matching 401. Let's check out the engine. We'll check out the operation and the condition of that top, and then Jason will take it for a drive. Now, of course, the underside of the hood's as nice as the rest of the car. And the engine bay. Again, aftermarket, Edelbrock air cleaner. Comes with the stock one, remember. Power steering, power brakes, AC. You'll be able to see the end of the VIN stamp on the engine block, so you can see that that matches up with the VIN on the car. Looks good underneath here, sounds good running. What is there not to like about this one? 1966 Wildcat convertible. Let's check out this convertible top. Get this walk around video wrapped up. And the top up, as you can see, functions as it should. I'll show you going back down too after this too. And then remember, Jason will take it for a drive. Nice tight fit above the windshield, rolled the side glass up, power windows. So you can see how that fits. This is vinyl, so white vinyl top. Looks like a newer top. Not showing much of any wear. Little wear spot there, but nothing to be concerned with. Glass rear window, nice shape. And passenger side, no rips, tears, holes. Like I said, really much wear at all. Needed to keep you dry or out of the sun. It'll serve that purpose just fine. Side glass, passenger side, nice fit. Back above the windshield, nice and tight. It's a beauty, 1966 Buick Wildcat convertible. Number to call, 507-386-1726. All those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason will take it for a drive. I'll show you top going back down. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1966 Buick Wildcat. This is a convertible, and we have the top down today on this beautiful sunny day. This car is an automatic right here on the column, which makes it easy to shift and easy to drive. Just put it in drive and go. Plenty of power from that Buick V8. Turn signals are working. Smooth running Buick. Our blower motor works. The wipers also work on this car. Horns working.
Yes, astronaut.
AM radio also working. The Sonomatic, the original radio for this car, working as it should. Beautiful ride. Nice and smooth. We got vinyl bench seat up front and in back. Days like this, you just want to keep driving. Our speedometer is working as it should. It's reading 40. Feels like it could be about right. Our fuel gauge is reading a half of a tank. For its era, Buick was giving you warning lights instead of gauges on a lot of these. And so those are the gauges that we have. Great features though, like wipers that return home on their own when you shut them off. Almost always, as far as I know, power steering and power brakes on Buicks. A little vibration in the dash. You pick up on the pad, that goes away. Corner's great. Corner's the way you would expect for a 66 Buick. Take a look at all the pictures of this Buick Wildcat. One of the coolest car names ever, Wildcat, at uniqueclassiccars.com.